Hi, this is Michelle Ferguson, and I am the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Ferguson washcloth. For this project, you will need some worsted weight cotton yarn. I'm using Dishy worsted from We Crochet. It is 100% cotton, and I'm using the colorway Jalapeno. You'll also need a crochet hook. An I 5.5 millimeter hook is what I'm using. Be sure to check your gauge to determine what crochet hook size you will be using. I'm using this Furl Streamline resin hook, and I will link it in the description. All right, let's get started. Okay, once you have checked your gauge and determined your hook size, you are going to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1. For this washcloth, I am making a 10-inch by 10-inch washcloth. So I am going to be chaining 31 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've chained my 31. So for the first row, I'm going to work into these back bumps of the chains. I just feel like it gives it such a cleaner look. So this is the front of your chain. I'm going to turn it and work into these back bumps. And it says to work 1 SC and 1 DC in the third chain from hook. So I got first, second, third right here. And I'm going to do a single crochet into that chain, the back bump. And then I'm going to do a double crochet into that same chain. Just like so. And then it says to skip 1 chain. So I'm skipping this next one. And to do a single crochet, double crochet into the next. So 1 single crochet and then 1 double crochet. And then I am going to repeat that across. So skip 1 chain, single crochet, double crochet into the next chain. Skip 1 chain, single crochet, double crochet into the next chain. And here's what it's looking like so far. Skip 1, single crochet, double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet, and double crochet into the same. I'm going to keep going all the way across, and you do the same. If you need to pause your video, you can do so here and work all the way across, repeating that. Skip 1, single crochet, double crochet in the next. And then I will meet you at the end of this row. All right, I have completed the first row. Your last single crochet and double crochet into the chain will go into that very last chain of the row. So this is how you will complete row 1. Now let's move on to row 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. And then you are going to skip 1. So you're going to skip that first double crochet. And you are going to single crochet, double crochet into the next. And then you're going to skip 1 and you're going to single crochet, double crochet into the next. So you're working into the single crochet stitch of the previous row. Skipping the double crochet stitch, working a single crochet and a double crochet into the next, which is a single crochet stitch from the previous row. And then you will repeat that all the way across again. Single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. skip 1, single crochet, and double crochet. Work that all the way across your row, and then I will meet you at the end. Okay, we have completed row 2 of our washcloth. I forgot to mention before, if you're following along with the pattern, you'll have 30 stitches total across. All right, so now for rows 3 through 25, we are just going to repeat row 2 again, an easy 1 row repeat. So we're going to chain 1 and turn, skip the first stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. Skip the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And we are going to repeat across. So skip 1 stitch, 1 single, 1 double in the next. Skip 1, 1 single, and 1 double in the next. All right, work your way across, and then you're going to repeat that row 2, that's the same steps for 25 total rows. So I am going to do that now, and you do the same, and I'll meet you at the end. Once you have done all 25 rows, you have completed your washcloth. You can fasten off and weave in your ends. If you'd like, before you fasten off, you can do a trim of just single crochet around the edges if you want. I didn't. I think it looks kind of cool with the jagged edges, but that's totally up to you. Otherwise, you'll just fasten off and weave in your ends, and you have this beautiful, lovely textured washcloth that's going to work really well for your kitchen or bathroom. If you like this stitch combo, be sure to check out my other Ferguson crochet patterns. I have a whole collection that uses just this stitch combo, so be sure to give those a try. I will link them in the description below, along with all the materials that I used for today's project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.